Guardarian Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to my Guardarian Wallet Full Review. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Guardarian Wallet is a non-custodial crypto wallet designed to provide users with a seamless and secure way to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. It supports a wide variety of assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other popular ERC20 tokens. The wallet is especially useful for individuals who want to manage their crypto assets without relying on centralized exchanges or custodial services, giving them full control over their funds. One of the key features of the Guardarian Wallet is its simple and intuitive interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The wallet offers an easy setup process with the option to back up your wallet securely, so you never have to worry about losing access to your crypto. The wallet also integrates well with decentralized exchanges, DEXs, for direct trading, ensuring a smooth experience when managing assets. Additionally, Guardarian provides a mobile app that allows users to access their wallet and perform transactions on the go. For security, Guardarian Wallet uses a robust encryption system to keep private keys offline, ensuring that your crypto is safe from hacks or online threats. The wallet supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, adding another layer of security to your account. However, while Guardarian Wallet excels in usability and security, it lacks advanced features like staking or advanced DeFi integrations that some other wallets offer. Additionally, it doesn't support as many cryptocurrencies as some competing wallets, which may be a limitation for users with more diverse portfolios. In conclusion, Guardarian Wallet is an excellent option for anyone looking for a secure, easy-to-use wallet for managing Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies. Its focus on security, simplicity, and user control makes it ideal for beginners and those who prioritize privacy. However, if you require advanced features or a broader range of supported assets, you may want to explore other options.